Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on July 29th. 1981. Prince Charles marries Lady Diana Spencer. On July 29, 1981, millions around the world tuned in to watch Prince Charles marry Lady Diana Spencer. The royal wedding was held at St. Paul's Cathedral in London and was one of the most watched events in television history. Diana became known as the People's Princess for her warmth and compassion. The wedding was filled with royal traditions, stunning fashion, and global media attention. Sadly, their marriage later ended in divorce, but the event remains iconic. It was a fairy tale moment that captured hearts everywhere. 1958. NASA is created. On this day in 1958, the United States established NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It was formed in response to the Soviet Union's early lead in the space race. NASA would go on to launch historic missions, including landing the first humans on the moon. The agency replaced an earlier organization called NACA. This marked the start of America's serious push into space exploration. Today, NASA is a global leader in space science and technology. 1948. Olympic Games resume after World War II. The 1948 Summer Olympics opened in London on July 29th after a 12-year break due to World War II. Known as the Austerity Games, they were held with minimal resources and no new stadiums. Despite the hardships, over 4,000 athletes from 59 countries took part. Germany and Japan were not invited because of the war. The event symbolized global unity and recovery. It was a powerful moment of peace and sportsmanship. 1921. Adolf Hitler becomes leader of the Nazi Party. On July 29, 1921, Adolf Hitler was officially named the leader of the National Socialist German Workers' Party, better known as the Nazi Party. His powerful speeches and propaganda helped him rise quickly within the group. This event marked a dark turning point in German history. Hitler's leadership would eventually lead to World War II and the Holocaust. His rise to power started with political ambition on this very day. The consequences would change the world forever. 71,836 Arc de Triomphe inaugurated in Paris. France officially inaugurated the Arc de Triomphe in Paris on July 29, 1836. It was built to honor those who fought and died for France in the French Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars. The massive arch took 30 years to complete. It stands proudly at the end of the famous Champs-Élysées. Names of generals and battles are carved on its inner walls. Today, it remains a powerful symbol of French pride and history. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.